America invented the idea of a national park, and the very first was Yellowstone in 1872. Signed into law by President Ulysses S. Grant, it protected more than 2 million acres of geysers, canyons, and wildlife. At the time, many people thought setting aside land just for nature was crazy. But here's the twist. This idea sparked a global movement. Today, over 100 countries have national parks inspired by Yellowstone. From wilderness to World Heritage, the first US park changed how we protect nature forever. Subscribe for more firsts.